With respect to this ongoing strike called by Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association (Mctoda) against cement factories from 27th October onwards, so I wish to inform all of you that district administration acted promptly, and on the 30th of October we called the meeting of all stakeholders including Jingiakhih Cement Manufacturing Association, Mctoda, and other two transport associations, Jingiakhih Truck Owner Association as well as East Jingiakhih Truck Owners and Transporters Association. But unfortunately, Mctoda declined to attend meeting on that day, saying that they would want to attend meeting separately with the Cement Factory Association, not in the presence of other two associations. However, the other two associations attended the meeting that day, and they informed us that they are not supporting the strike called by them, and they are working cordially with the cement factories, and they wish to continue the movement of their vehicles. So, however, to find a peaceful solution for this, we accepted the demands of Mctoda and again reconvened the meeting on 31st of October as well as 3rd of November with Mctoda separately along with Jingiakhih Cement Manufacturing Association. So during the meeting on 30th and 31st and 3rd November, Mctoda expressed various concerns with respect to the transports, with respect to the cement factories. Their main demands were regarding fixation of interstate transportation rates and priority to the local truck drivers, reduction in the waiting time and loading time, and also certain regulations with respect to labor laws to be followed by the cement factories. So during the meeting, cement factory also has given a written reply to all their demands, wherein they have accepted all their demands. Only with respect to the fixation of interstate transportation rate, they clarified that there is a rate notification by Transport Department, Government of Meghalaya, which is with respect to the intrastate transport rates under Motor Vehicle Act 1988. So under this act, any state government can notify transportation rates within the state. So the cement factories have also been following those rates. They informed us during the meeting, and they informed Mctoda also that they have been following those rates that have been notified by Government of Meghalaya as far as intrastate transport is concerned. And they are already working with these two associations, and they are willing to work with them also in future. So that was the appeal from the side of Jingiakhih Cement Manufacturing Association, that they are willing to discuss these rates also, because this will require complex discussion. All rates cannot be fixed for interstate transport in a single meeting, and they have accepted all their demands. So they also requested the Mctoda to withdraw their strike and come for further negotiations with respect to this interstate transport rates. So, however, Mctoda declined to withdraw their strike during the meeting, as till the time a fixed interstate transport rate also is given to them by the cement factories. So, after the meeting, we received reports that Mctoda have been obstructing the vehicles of cement factory and other transport associations, and certain reports were received with respect to harassment of some drivers and vehicles which are not participating in the strike. So because of this, the district police of East Khasi Hills had to take action as per law to ensure free movement of goods, vehicles, and also to ensure public safety on the national highway. So I would again, from this medium, I would like to appeal to Mctoda that while we understand their concerns, and we are still open, and we are always open for dialogue and with all the stakeholders, so that we can find a peaceful resolution to this, to their concerns, to their demands. At the same time, we also request them not to obstruct the vehicular movement on the national highway further.